In this video, I'm going to explain why YouTube TV may not have all episodes of a show and what you can do to address this issue. Let's get started. While YouTube TV offers a wide variety of content, there are several reasons why certain episodes or seasons of a show might be missing. One common reason is licensing agreements. Streaming services like YouTube TV rely on contracts with networks and production studios to offer content. If a show's licensing agreement expires or changes, some episodes or entire seasons may be removed from the platform. This is especially common for older shows or those with complex distribution rights. Another factor is regional restrictions. Some shows or episodes may not be available in your area due to regional licensing rules. For example, a network might hold exclusive rights to stream certain episodes in specific markets, preventing YouTube TV from offering them. Additionally, some shows may only be available through premium add-ons or separate subscriptions. For instance, if a show airs on a premium channel like HBO or Showtime, you'll need to add that channel as an extra subscription to access its content. If you're missing episodes of a show, check if it's available through YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature. If you recorded the episodes when they aired, you could still watch them from your library. Alternatively, search for the show on other streaming platforms or consider purchasing individual episodes or seasons from digital stores like Google Play or iTunes. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on navigating streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this clears up why YouTube TV may not have all episodes of your favorite shows. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.